Okay, here we are at part 4. What I'm doing now, I'm putting this purfling on. A little bit of glue, just white glue. Oops, a little more than that. I don't know why they call it purfling. I guess there's a reason for that. Okay, here we go. Now I've got the clothes pegs. They hold it on pretty good while the glue sets. Okay, now a few more clothes pegs, and this one will be done. Okay, it's that one. This one I put on yesterday, and these ones today. So this is gonna have to set till tomorrow, once I get the rest of it on, and then we'll put the top on it. And I have to make sure it's in place. Might have to bring this back end in, over here. Bring it in a little bit to match that, and glue it on, and I'll have a mandolin almost ready to play, because I'm gonna still have to put the banding around there. But anyways, I'll shut this off for a minute. Okay, now we continue. Gonna glue up this one. We just continue on where we left off. Put these clothes pegs on. They hold this very good. They're quick. They're cheap. And the other thing I like about clothes pegs, if you ever need a wedge, you just separate them and you got wedges. They come in handy. Okay, right down to the last one. Okay, now all we do is put a little piece in there, and we are done with the purfling. Then we're gonna let the glue set, and we'll finish it tomorrow. We'll put the back on it tomorrow, and then after that, what I'm gonna have to do is put the binding around. It's ivory colored binding, and then little touch-ups on the mandolin. I just want to get it where it's playable again. I haven't been able to play a mandolin for a while. Because my buddy Doug took his mandolin away. He went out west. I repaired his guitar, and then he took his mandolin away. It's a nice one. It's the one I wanted, but I understand why he didn't want to part with it. It was beautiful, beautiful mandolin. Yeah. So I'm going to make my own mandolin the same. Yeah. Okay, got one to put on, one little piece, and then we're done with the purfling. I have to Google purfling, see what it means, see where it came from. If anybody knows, let me know. Okay, that's it. Now we're going to let this dry, and then we're going to glue the top on. Talk to you later.